By using the greedy algorithms, we can divide the elements of some set into three main parts. First is the adjacency, in which we can see the elements that are consecutively in the order. For example, 2, 3, 7, 8, and like this. Second is the breakpoints, the elements that are not in the consecutive orders. Example is 5, 7, 6, 9, and so on. And the last is the strips. And strip is the consecutive elements that are present in the ascending or descending order. For example, if it is 2, 3, 4, 5, it constitutes a one strip. Similarly, 7, 8, 9, it constitutes a one strip. And it could be in the reverse order. For example, 5, 4, 3, it also constitutes a strip. And breakpoints are the boundaries between these two strips. So we will see one more example which will be defined between these three terminologies: boundaries, adjacencies, and the strips. So here we can see this is the different elements, and 0 and 9 we have added at both ends of these elements. 0 is pi naught and 9 is pi n plus 1. So in this example we can see it has 5 adjacencies. Number 1 is 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 5, 8, 7, and 7, 6. So these all are the consecutive numbers, either in the descending or in the ascending orders. And we also have 4 breakpoints. Breakpoints means that are not in the consecutive order: 0, 2, 1, 3, 5, 8, and 6, 9. So permutation on n elements may have many as n plus 1 breakpoints. So it means that we have a breakpoints of maximum of n plus 1. If we have the value of n is equal to 6 elements, then we could have a maximum of 7 breakpoints, means we have to add n plus 1. So it means that 6 plus 1 will be 7. Similarly, if n is 8, we can add 1 and it will be 9. So it could be a maximum of 9 breakpoints. Or we could have a minimum of 0 breakpoints. If these elements are all are in the ordered form, then there will be a no breakpoint. Breakpoint will be 0. So every breakpoint corresponds to a pair of elements, that is pi I and pi I plus 1, that are neighbors in pi. So 2 and 1, they are pi I and pi I plus 1, and 3 is pi I plus 2, and so on. But not in the identity permutation. So in fact, the identity permutation is the only permutation with no breakpoints. It means that in the identity permutation, all the elements will be in the ordered form. Therefore, the non-consecutive elements pi I and pi I plus 1 forming a breakpoint must be separated in the process of transforming pi to the identity permutation. And we can view sorting by reversal as a process of eliminating the breakpoint.